Let's face it, everyone wants to look better. But the real glow-up isn't about spending thousands on fancy products or going under the knife. It's about building powerful, consistent habits that naturally level up your appearance. In this video, I'm giving you 50 glow-up tips that are easy to follow, backed by science and straight to the point. Some of these tips will take just a few seconds. Others might take weeks, but if you stay consistent, you'll look like a completely upgraded version of yourself in just a few months. No filters, no gimmicks. So let's not waste time. Grab a pen, save this video, and start your transformation today. 1. Drink water first thing in the morning. Your body loses water overnight, and hydrating immediately boosts metabolism, skin hydration, and mental clarity. 2. Get a haircut that matches your face shape. The right hairstyle enhances your bone structure and makes you look sharper instantly. 3. Shape your eyebrows properly. Whether you do it yourself or get them threaded once, clean brows instantly improve facial symmetry and overall appearance. 4. Use a face cleanser, not bar soap. Bar soap is too harsh for your face. Use a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type to avoid acne and dryness. 5. Moisturize twice a day. Hydrated skin looks smoother, healthier, and naturally glows. Even oily skin needs the right moisture. 6. Exfoliate 2 times a week. This removes dead skin cells and reveals the fresh skin underneath. Salicylic acid works for oily skin, glycolic acid for dry skin. 7. Apply sunscreen daily, even indoors. UV rays age your skin silently. Use SPF 30 or higher every single day for long-term protection and glow. 8. Sleep at least 7 hours a night. This is when your body repairs itself. Poor sleep shows up as dull skin, dark circles, and low energy. 9. Fix your posture. Standing straight with your shoulders back instantly makes you look taller, more confident, and more attractive. 10. Chew evenly on both sides. A weird one, but it helps balance your jawline and improves facial symmetry over time. 11. Practice mewing. Rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth. It helps improve your jawline definition and nasal breathing. 12. Use a caffeine eye serum. It reduces puffiness and dark circles, especially in the morning when your face is swollen. 13. Brush and floss twice a day. Oral hygiene is crucial. A clean mouth and fresh breath instantly improve your presence. 14. Whiten your teeth at home. Use baking soda toothpaste, whitening strips, or LED kits, but don't overdo it. Keep it natural. 15. Use a tongue scraper daily. Removes bacteria, improves your breath, and levels up your hygiene routine. 16. Trim your nails once a week. Clean and neat nails show that you're disciplined and take care of yourself. 17. Exfoliate your lips and apply lip balm. Dry, chapped lips ruin your look. Keep them soft and clean. 18. Groom your beard based on face shape. The right beard style can make your face look slimmer, sharper, and more masculine. 19. Use a derma roller for beard and hair growth. It boosts collagen and improves blood flow. Just make sure to clean it properly after each use. 20. Wear fitted clothes, not oversized. You don't need designer brands. Well-fitting clothes elevate your look immediately. 21. Learn how to match colors. Wear clothes that match your skin tone. It makes you look more polished and intentional. 22. Iron or steam your clothes. Wrinkled outfits ruin your whole vibe. Neat pressed clothes show you care about your appearance. 23. Keep your shoes clean. Your shoes are one of the first things people notice. Keep them fresh and in good condition. 24. Use a good cologne or body spray. Smelling good boosts your confidence and leaves a lasting impression. 25. Shower daily and do it right. Scrub your entire body, especially underarms, neck, back of ears, and feet. 26. Use a separate towel for your face. This reduces the transfer of bacteria and prevents breakouts. 27. Don't pop your pimples. Use pimple patches or spot treatments like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. 28. Clean your phone screen regularly. It touches your face often and can carry dirt, oil, and bacteria. 29. Change your pillowcase every 3 days. Oil and sweat build up fast. Fresh pillowcases mean clearer skin. 30. Line up your beard and neckline weekly. Even if your beard is light, a clean shape adds structure to your face. 31. Use beard oil or balm. It softens the beard, reduces itch, and makes it look fuller and healthier. 32. Start working out or doing home exercises. Exercise boosts testosterone, shapes your body, and improves your posture. 33. Walk 5,000 to 10,000 steps daily. It helps with fat loss, posture, and blood flow, all of which show on your face. 34. Practice deep breathing exercises. Reduces stress, sharpens your focus, and even improves your skin glow. 35. Take cold showers 2 or 3 times a week. Cold water improves skin tone, circulation, and even your mood. 36. Cut down sugar and junk food. They cause breakouts, dullness, and make you look bloated. 37. Eat fruits and vegetables daily, packed with vitamins that fuel your glow from the inside out. 38. Take omega-3 supplements. They improve skin texture and reduce acne and inflammation. 39. Use clay masks for oily areas. Once a week is enough to detox your pores and reduce shine. 40. Trim visible nose and ear hair. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in cleanliness. 41. Smile more often. It makes you look more confident, friendly, and instantly more attractive. 42. Make strong eye contact. It shows confidence and builds instant trust with people. 43. Keep your room clean and organized. Your environment reflects your mindset. Plus, it actually motivates you to stay disciplined. 44. Read more books. It expands your mind, sharpens your speaking skills, and boosts your charm. 45. Take progress pictures every 2 weeks. You may not see changes daily, but the camera never lies. 46. Stay consistent with your routine. The biggest secret to a glow-up? Not quitting after a week. 47. Learn how to style your hair. Watch tutorials, experiment, and find what flatters your face best. 48. Drink green tea or lemon water. Both help reduce bloating and give your skin a natural detox. 49. Cut screen time an hour before bed. Your skin and brain need that break to heal and recover. 50. Be kind to yourself. True confidence starts with how you treat yourself, and that energy is what really glows. That's it. 50 powerful glow-up tips that can completely transform how you look and feel. But here's the truth, you don't need to follow all of them today. Just pick 5 and start now. Stick to them for 2 weeks, that's it. Then come back and add 5 more. This journey is not about chasing perfection. It's about progress. Slow, steady upgrades that add up. The most attractive version of you is already in there. You just need to unlock it, one habit at a time. So if this video helped, hit that like button. Comment below which tip you're starting with today. And don't forget to subscribe to Glow Mode for real, simple, and powerful self-care tips every single week. You've got this. I'll see you in the next one.